Yo, my name is Harry and I'm gonna teach you how to do the bone cracking sound. So one thing to note before we start is that this sound only needs the tongue position. So you have to follow exactly 100% accurately what I do with my tongue. Okay? So your first instinct to learn this sound is probably doing a click, right? That is correct, but we need to change the tongue position. First, sticking out the tongue. Then roll it up like this. Now, instead of roll your whole tongue, only roll one side of the tongue like this. You're gonna be like that. You're gonna roll just that side of your tongue. After you get the hang of it, hold that position and pull your tongue in, then leave it at the neutral position. Like just let it touch the roof of your mouth. Now, just do a click, but in that position. You're gonna feel the side of the tongue that you rolled out earlier gonna vibrate and make the bone cracking sound. As I said earlier, the only thing you need to care about is the tongue position, so watch the video carefully again if you still struggle with it. But if you have gotten it, check out this video to learn how to turn the bone cracking sound into this very cool bass, aka the click roll. So check it out.